We've featured homes where White Oak Renovations have done a complete top-to-bottom home makeover. But today, let's take a look at how White Oak Renovations turned an old damp basement into an industrial farmhouse gathering place.
Well, the customers contacted me. They had actually been looking at doing this renovation for about 2 years. They had some water issues with the house. It was from a previous buyer when they purchased it. There was a struggle to get through that did a lot of damage to the basement, so they figured that was perfect timing to come in and make the space their own. So as we met with the clients, they really wanted to mix the farmhouse and industrial look, which I think we hit spot on at the end of the project.
With a big undertaking like this, the owners found a high level of comfort with Finn and White Oak Renovations.
We decided to go with White Oak. We felt comfortable with the way they were going to handle the project from a scheduling standpoint. We felt like when we got our bid from them, we knew what was included, what wasn't. There weren't going to be surprises. But we just felt comfortable that we were going to get the product that we wanted at the end of the process. So we kind of wanted a space where you could just sit, relax. You can watch, your friends playing ping pong. You can watch the game on TV, and just kind of a space where you can sit and enjoy each other.
Capturing the customer's vision is a big part of what Finn and his team try to accomplish. And the unique details are where White Oak Renovations takes it to the next level.
The details from the barn doors with the windows that we custom made on site with our trim carpenter to the beams that match the floor stain and the elements of the barn doors. Even as you walk in the media room, looking at the quad TV setup is just incredible. So we got very creative with the handrail coming down the stairs. As you can see, it does have some of that farmhouse industrial look they were going for. It took 1 or 2 different sketches on the drywall to make it right, but we built it on site and I think it turned out phenomenal.
I would definitely recommend White Oak. We kind of started the process with Finn to get the budget and the vision, and then Mike was introduced as our project manager.
We were able to, as we were going through, we were able to do things that, as we were going through, hey, wouldn't this be a great idea? Like we added some of the nickel gap siding to the wall in the girls' room. We came up with the design on the stairs and the barn doors kind of on site, just kind of sketching things out on the drywall. And that's always fun when you can get creative with your clients and get something that they really like. I'm really proud of this one. I just think it's a very clean look to the house. We didn't overdo it. It's very simple, but it looked really, really nice. I like the colors we picked out. Everything came out. I hope that what my clients envisioned in their head before we started.
So that was kind of the theme throughout the project was, are you happy? Are you happy with how it looks? And it's nervous. You get nervous along the way because they're big decisions. You can't see it all together through the process, and you kind of have to wait till the end to make sure the floors came together with the cabinets, came together with the tile. But I'm very, very happy with the end result.
This project is just another example of White Oak Renovations turning a renovation dream into a reality.